Hi guys, today is day when I have to clean my makeup brushes, and I'm gonna show you how I do to make them clean and nice to do my makeup. So I will start filming over, forgive me for that, and I'm gonna show you what exactly I like to do. So I'm gonna put all these makeup brushes into my cup. I'm gonna put a little bit biphase makeup remover. I'm gonna put a little bit liquid soap. I'm gonna mix them like that. I know, can you see the water? How it looks? And I'm gonna put just a little bit water, tiny bit. That's all. I'm gonna let these brushes to soak in for a while, and I'm gonna show you how I wash them. I'm gonna do the same thing for beauty sponge. I'm gonna put a little bit liquid soap, just a tiny bit. That's enough. I'm gonna put a little bit makeup remover, and I'm gonna swirl around with this beauty sponge to make sure that sponges take enough soap and makeup remover. I'm gonna put my makeup sponge back in the glass, and I'm gonna leave sponge here for a while. Now you see my brushes, they're soaking about a couple minutes now. The water is so dirty, and I have my clean mat for brushes, and now I'm gonna clean them one by one, and I'm gonna show you how. So I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna swirl them a little bit into soap, and then on my mat to make sure that all dirt is coming out. It's not easy to film and washing brushes. It's a little bit struggle, but you will see how I do this. I'm going to put this brush on the side. I'm gonna take another one, just a little bit scrap on the soap, a little bit scrubbing on my mat. This is so much faster and easier when when I don't have camera in my hand, but this is for the purpose of this video. And now I'm gonna repeat each brush. As you can see, I cleaned most of my brushes, and I'm at the end of cleaning, and now I'm gonna wash them, and I'm gonna show you how they look after this. I'm sorry for this noise, there's nothing I can do. It's just some stupid irritating noise each time when I press the light for the toilet. That's the glass where I was soaking my brushes when I was start washing them. And now I'm gonna wash all my brushes to remove this soap from them. Usually I would take a couple brushes at once, but as I said, I can't wash and clean it. It's a little bit struggling. You see how my brushes are clean now. and I can move on to wash off the rest of sponge. I'm gonna take a little bit more soap, this regular soap. And I'm gonna swirl this sponge in my hand. And I'm gonna squeeze the rest of water from the sponge, and I'm gonna let this sponge to dry. And now I'm gonna dry my brushes. I don't want this water to stay on them because they can make weak the glue inside, and then I'm gonna put them in the air to dry. Now I'm removing the rest of water from my brushes, doing with one hand, and you know that I'm filming. Usually it goes much faster than now. As you can see, all brushes are washed, and now I'm gonna put them on the towel and let them dry in the air, and they're gonna be ready to use tomorrow in the morning. As you can see, I was put all my brushes on towel, and now I'm gonna let them dry in the air, and all water that is inside of brush, they're gonna be removed, and my brushes is going to be ready for makeup maybe later this day or tomorrow in the morning. And this is how I clean my brushes. Yes, and I need to put my makeup sponge to see, and my makeup sponge is here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.